Welcome back to part 2 of the 1968 El Camino rebuild. On part 2, I'm gonna be trying to get the engine running. I know one of the first things I gotta do is I gotta get another battery, cause this battery is dead, no good. This battery no good. Then I have to, I'm over here. I know I need the 4 bolts to hold the carburetor down. Took the hood off. Now the hood is sitting back here. Now I'm gonna try to just clean out all the dirt and whatever this is. Whatever all these little branches or something called. The next step, the prep in the engine, I gotta take out all these, take out all this. I need to put my gloves back on, but take out all this. Take out the spark plugs. I got socket to get right there. The spark plug out. Gonna get it cleaned up and put it back in after I put some fogging spray inside of it. I got some mystery oil. A lot of people use this when they're trying to start their car for the first time, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Next step, I have to clean out all the dirt out of these holes. In the middle of cleaning these holes, I realized I started seeing like wires. I see like wires. I'm like, okay, wires can be missing. I can still try to start it, but then I wanted to look at the spark plug wires. These and this one is ripped in half. So what are the pieces? These two supposed to be connected, and it will not start while it's broke like this. I'm gonna need a whole new set of all these, and I'm not getting that right now. Probably in like a week or two. For now, until I get the spark plug wires, I'm just gonna go around the body and check for rust. I'm gonna just work my way from here on back, and Sharpie, I'm gonna circle all the rust spots of where I would need to cut out the rust and weld in new metal. So I'm gonna just go all that right here. Gotta cut out all that, probably a square. And then that could be fixed, probably like that. This whole fender is just the main right there. This whole bottom rusted. I could just pull all that off. So I might get a new fender. This whole fender new. That whole part gotta get cut off. Everything else is good. Most part, this whole side of the body is rust free. All right, since the spark plug wires are cut and I can't try to get the motor started right now, so I got a new approach to this. So today is Wednesday, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna do body work. I'm gonna do this whole side, whatever I can get to do body work after classes for like 2 or 3 hours a day. And then on Saturday, I'm gonna come early and take apart the whole front. I'm gonna take apart everything, take out the fender, all the lights, grills, that fender, AC compressor, alternator. I'm gonna take out everything that's in there. Let me see. Take apart all this except for the engine. I'm taking apart everything except for the engine. parts off. This whole front, all this came off, that side, this side. But none of these front pieces, all these is rusted, so I gotta find out how I'm gonna take those out. That's the end of part 2 for this 1968 El Camino rebuild. This week I didn't really get that much done because a lot of the bolts are rusted. I can't really get it. I gotta keep trying until I get it off. So I ain't get a lot done, but I got a lot of stuff taken off that I'm gonna get cleaned up, fixed up, and repainted. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you like, tell me what you didn't like, what I can improve on. This is my first time really vlogging like this. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you for all the support. I was getting on my first one, and thank you for the 2 comments that I got. I'm gonna put it on the screen of the 2 comments that I got on the first video. Stay tuned, this is only part 2 of this rebuild. We can only go up from here, so just stay tuned and watch this build come alive.